As part of this section, we'll be talking about Spark 2.3.x overview. In a series of topics, we'll see the documentation, modules, execution modes, development lifecycle, and many other things as part of this section. We will start with quick recap of Scala. We will touch base those important concepts of Scala which is relevant for Spark-based application development using Scala as programming language. Then we'll go ahead and develop our first Spark application using IDE, which is nothing but IntelliJ with Scala and SBT plugins. Once we develop the Spark application, we'll understand a very important concept such as SparkConf and SparkContext. These are the ones which actually drive the Spark application. And then we'll actually talk about Spark Shell, which is nothing but Scala-based REPL with Spark-based APIs exposed to us so that we can actually explore the APIs with respect to Spark in an interactive fashion. Then we'll talk about the core data structure of Spark, which is nothing but RDD, and it stands for Resilient Distributed Datasets. We will see overview about RDD. It's nothing but a distributed collection. And then we'll talk about core APIs. As part of core APIs, they are divided into transformations and actions. As part of transformations, we have APIs such as map, reduce, reduce by key, group by key, etc. And as part of actions, we have APIs such as save as text file, reduce, collect, count, etc. So we'll actually talk about core APIs at a very high level. Then we'll understand Spark modules. As part of SparkContext, they have made significant changes to the APIs and the way modules are organized. Earlier, Spark Core APIs is the main one, and there are high-level modules such as Spark SQL, data frames, Spark streaming, machine learning, graphics, etc. From Spark 2.x, what they have done is they want to hide the complexity of using core APIs to the Spark core developers. And for application developers like us, they have provided high-level packages such as Spark SQL or data frames as core module. Using that, we can actually improvise our productivity with respect to the development because the APIs that are exposed via data frames are developer friendly compared to core APIs. And then all the other modules are built on top of Spark SQL or data frames module. So we have Spark structured streaming, machine learning pipelines, and graphics pipelines, which can be used on top of Spark SQL and data frames to develop the applications for those particular scenarios. So we'll actually get into all these details at a very higher level. From Spark 2.x, some of these concepts which are very important in earlier versions of Spark are not that relevant, and hence we'll just touch base some of the key concepts and we move forward to the new core module, which is nothing but Spark SQL and data frames, and then we'll actually see the other high level modules.